Hello everyone. Today we are going to see futures of venture capital. First important feature, investment in high risk, high return projects. Venture capital funding is provided to projects involving new or latest technology and based on innovative ideas. Since the product or service is new to the market, there is high uncertainty of its success. Second important feature, investment in startup. Venture capital funds support the setting up of new enterprises by providing finance and managerial guidance. Third feature, investment in different stages. Though most of the venture capital investment happen in startup, finance can be provided to firms at different stages. Venture capital firms can provide investment as seed capital, early stage financing, expansion and development stage, etc. Fourth feature is investment in wide range of business. In the early days, venture capital funds mainly invested in technology firms. Now, they are investing in firms from various industries. Venture capital firms are investing in firms involved in education, healthcare, real estate, beauty salon, transport, hospitality, etc. Then, long term investment. That is, venture capital is a long term investment. Funds are provided to firm for a period of 5 to 10 years to enable them to establish themselves in the industry. Next feature, multiple exit operations. Venture capital firms exit the venture once it has achieved a particular size or crossed a specific target relating to its sales and profits. There are multiple exit options. The firm can sell its shares through an initial public offer, that is IPO, to the public or to the promoter or to another venture capital firm or to the manager of the firm, etc. Next important feature, support to professionals. Venture capital firms prefer to invest in firms promoted by professionals. The reason is professionals have better technical skill, knowledge of consumer requirement and use resources in an optimal manner. They can use the fund efficiently for the growth of the enterprises. Then, important future, we are going to see risk spreading. Venture capital funds do not invest their entire capital in a single firm. They invest in multiple firms belonging to different industry. The objective is to spread the risk among multiple business. The losses incurred from some investment may be compensated by the profit earned by the others. Next, we are going to see stages of venture capital financing. It is an important factor influencing the decision on whether to invest or not to invest in the firm in the stage of investment. The stages of venture capital, first one, early stage financing. This stage involves very high level of risk since there is high uncertainty about whether the business idea can be converted into a viable business. There are three phases in early stage financing. These are seed financing, startup financing and first stage financing. What is seed financing? It is the initial stage of a business. The entrepreneur has an innovative idea which need to be converted into a viable business model. Next one is startup financing. It is the finance for the development of product or service and taking efforts for marketing them. Third one, first stage financing. This is provided to firms to initiate commercial production. These funds help the firm to engage in full scale production and also market their product and services. Next, second round financing. In this stage, the product or service has been launched in the market but the firm has not yet become profitable. Sales are low and the firm has to incur high expenses on marketing the product. Second stage is expansion or development stage. Finance is required at this stage to expand the business or for the acquisition of other firms. The firms require funds for expansion of their production capacity and marketing their products. The stages of financing involved in these stages are, first one, bridge financing. It is the last round of financing for a firm. Firms which plan to go in for a public issue within a short time require bridge finance. They require funds to support their further growth till initial public offer. The risk involved in this stage of financing is quite low. Next one, management buyout. Venture capital funds are provided to the management team to buy the business that they manage. The manager become the owners of the enterprise. Large companies can sell their non-core business through management buyout. Similarly, if the owners are not interested to continue in the business, they can sell the business to the management team. Then, management buy-in. Venture capital funds are provided to managers from outside the company to take over a company. This happens in case of companies which are underperforming. Managers with a good track record of successfully managing firms from the same industry are identified. They are provided funds to take over the company and improve its performance. Then, last stage of financing in this, turnaround financing. It is venture capital provided to take over a sick company, achieve break even, and convert it into a profit making company. It is highly risky form of financing. The venture capital provides advice and guidance to improve efficiency and profit. Next one, we are going to see sources of venture capital. First source, development financial institution. They have set up venture capital funds to promote creation of new ventures. They have played an important role in the growth of venture capital in India. Example, Risk Capital and Technology Finance Corporation, IDBI, SIDBI Venture Capital Limited, UTI Venture Capital Fund, ICICI Venture Funds Management Company Limited. Second source, state government. State government have set up venture capital funds to promote the growth of entrepreneurship and growth of new enterprises in their states. Third one, private sector institutions have set up venture capital funds such as Alliance Venture Capital Advisors Limited, IFB Venture Capital Finance Limited, etc. Fourth source, commercial banks have sponsored and set up venture capital funds. For example, the Canara Bank has set up Canfina Venture Capital Fund, SBI has set up SBI Capital Venture Capital Fund, etc. Last one, foreign venture capital fund. They are funds set up by overseas investors and foreign institutions. They identify investment opportunities in various countries and fund those ventures which has high potential for growth. Next topic, types of venture capital companies. First one, venture capital funds set up by angel investors. That is, wealthy individuals and families set up venture capital funds to invest in business ideas having growth potential. Some of the non-resident Indian have set up their Indus Entrepreneurs. The organization promotes entrepreneurship and also provides funding to new ventures. Second, ventures capital subsidiaries of companies. Financially strong and well-established companies set up venture capital funds to invest in startups. Some of them only invest in startup firms which are related to their business, while others may invest in any new startup which has a promising future. Third, venture capital funds promoted by public sector banks. In the year 1989, Canara Bank became the first public sector bank to set up a venture capital fund. Its capital has been contributed by financial institutions, insurance companies and public sector banks. Next one, central government venture capital funds promoted by central government institutions. ICICI had set up Technology Development and Investment Corporation of India. IDBI had promoted the Risk Capital and Technology Finance Corporation Limited. And last, state government institutions, their contribution to venture capital fund. The Gujarat Venture Finance Company Limited, Kerala Venture Capital Fund Private Limited, Punjab Infotech Venture Fund, etc. are some of the other venture capital funds promoted by the respective state governments. I hope you all understand topics covered today. We'll see another topics in the next video. Thank you.